welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Classic, set for a small recovery as the sentiment is getting better. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. Looking at Terra Classic, we're up over 5% for the day. And that's just hours before the US session will start to kick in. And possibly we could see a continuation on the back of that, which is quite strange, seeing the very bearish drop we had overnight on the back of the missile attack in Poland, which now seems to be, but the risk has been diminishing as it was, or it becomes clear that it was just an accident. But still, NATO on alert. Poland already coming out with statements saying it's not that severe as it initially was thought, and that is triggering another risk-on rally with the dollar weaker, US equities and overall equities higher, and the VIX to the downside. So that should support price action, and you can see that as well from the relative strength index. Tilt to the upside again, so expect a further continuation to come, and this looks quite tempting. All in all, if you look back 1 or 2 trading days, then this one here at Monday was the perfect buy the dip at the support here at 1050 501. There was the high of the day on the 30th of March here. You can see here as well in August, pivotal level. So broke back up again. So it looks like it could extend its rally, and that might be a bit too optimistic, but it could well be a 35% all the way up to 24,979. Could be in the cards if this momentum continues, where the dollar weakens, equities keep rallying, and markets are shrugging off the hawkish tone of the central banks, and they are front running about the idea that we are at the pivotal level where central banks could start to take off their foot of the gas pedal, as US inflation and producer price index numbers yesterday came off their highs for the first time in almost 6-7 months. So should that momentum continue? Sure, this is more than possible in the coming weeks to come, before the end of the year even. But as well, a bit of risk there that should one economic number or should one element sour the mood, then expect a small turn back to this 30 May level. Let's have that up to see how pivotal that is, because you have this one here, then you got the test and rejection back down, clear break to the upside, support came in here, now it's back down again. So the risk is to the downside a bit that this is a bouncing ball. The basketball shoots higher, bounces back up, poof, bounce, but the bounce comes in smaller than the first bounce we had, and then you get this sort of downward pressure and then the break. So pure technically, that risk could be at hand. So I would be looking for any breaks to the upside, then you get your confirmation that it will stretch further up the way up to here. But if that's not the case and you see a lower high coming in and then a turn back to this support, then pressure could become too much, and a break to the downside would be granted. So keep that in mind for Terra Classic going forward, to make sure to watch either this break of the high or a return back to the low side. And that's it for FX Street. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.